Zojirushi's flagship bread maker is the new Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus, a fully automatic appliance geared towards making anyone an expert home baker. The bread maker features 14 pre-programmed course settings that alter the kneading, rising, and baking functions based on the type of bread to be made, ranging from classic white and European breads to health-conscious options like whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, multigrain, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan. In addition to loaves, the flexible Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Breadmaker makes dough, sourdough starter, cake, and jam. Along with the pre-programmed courses, the machine comes with a special homemade course, which allows you to input your own knead, rise, and bake times in 3 available memory settings. This bread maker also gives you the option to choose a light, medium, or dark crust color, and features an additional heating element in the lid, which promotes even baking and browning. Like all of Zojirushi's 2-pound bread makers, the Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus uses a removable non-stick coated baking pan to hold all ingredients, and dual kneading blades to thoroughly mix ingredients for superior results. Both the pan and blades are easy to clean and are BPA-free. The simplified LCD control panel and convenient key code make it easy to choose the course setting and set the optional 13-hour delay timer. Accessories include a full-color recipe book with 50 delicious recipes, a liquid measuring cup, nested measuring cups for dry ingredients, and a measuring spoon. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.